Running multiple stores? Clover makes managing employees across locations easy and efficient. Set up employees, roles, and permissions once and apply to any location. Auto-sync changes across all stores instantly. Clover allows users, owners, and managers to set up employees for each location and view real-time reports on sales and performance. Let's explore managing employees from our multi-location dashboard. To begin, be sure to sign into your Clover dashboard via clover.com. Once signed in, from your multi-location enterprise view, click on Employees on the left. Here you will find a list of existing employees, including the employee's name, email, groups, locations, and role. To add a new employee, click the green Add Employee button. Key in your employee details such as employee name. Optional fields include phone number, email, and custom ID. Be sure to add an email address if this employee requires access to Clover's dashboard. Step 2. Access type. Employee access type determines what dashboards and functions employees have access to. Multi-location dashboard allows employees to manage all locations within a selected group, view aggregated and location-specific data, and more. Employees with only this access type will not be able to access the individual location dashboard or the POS for locations within the selected groups. Individual location dashboard and POS allows employees to manage the selected individual locations, both via the dashboard and POS. Employees with only this access type will not be able to access the multi-location dashboard. Select locations to assign to this employee. Here, select your locations below. Click the checkbox for each location you'd like assign this employee to. Click the Assign Locations button below. Next, assign an employee role. Assign an employee passcode for device access and click Save below. Use the 3 dots on the upper right to manage roles and permissions. Roles and permissions let you control exactly what each employee can see and do at specific locations, keeping your business secure, compliant, and efficient. Set access levels for individual location dashboard and POS. Decide whether this role can access employee management tools, inventory, and more on your Clover device or individual dashboard. Decide what this role can access in your multi-location dashboard using the multi-location dashboard panel on the right. Click Save. Clover multi-location reporting includes employee sales reports. Find and click Employee Sales under your Reports tab on the left. Access employee sales history showing payments per employee across any combination of stores. Use the provided filters to review customized sales reports, discover top performers, tips, and more. Customize reports by date range and/or specific locations. Use the location filter to further customize reports by location using custom groups or selecting individual locations. Use the Filters button to further customize reports by city, state, or even site status.